I'm here to talk right about the new platform that IPD is developing for constituency offices in Macedonia called My Representative Web Portal. So I would like to share IPD's experience with the implementation of the constituency relations program in Macedonia, and particularly the ICT component of the program and the chronology of the development of the use of ICT in these constituency offices. So I will start very briefly to give you some information about the project, which started back in 2003 when the implementer of the project was NDI and the donors USAID and Canadian Agency for International Development. And the goal in 2003 was opening 46 constituency offices around Macedonia. In the second phase, based on the interest of the citizens and the members of parliament, this number of constituency offices rose to 65, and then later on in 2008 to 75 constituency offices. And the implementers were NDI, and since December 2008, IPD joined NDI in the implementation of this project. And now, currently, we are at the final implementation phase, which is ending in December 2012. And the implementer is IPD. The sustainability of the project is secured with a law on Parliament. And the project foresees opening of 75 constituency offices in 44 municipalities around Macedonia. The goal of the project is to strengthen the communication between citizens and their elected representatives. Bringing MPs in their electoral district wasn't an easy job. In a relatively closed parliament, such as it was our parliament in early years of this century, it was very difficult for citizens to contact their elected representatives in the Macedonian parliament, as they had no constituency office, no personal assistance, so it was quite difficult for citizens to contact their MPs. Mainly at this stage, they were perceived as unreachable, untouchable people, members, elected representatives that you would meet only once in 4 years during elections. So in this first phase, as I said, we foresee opening of the 46 constituency offices, and each office was equipped with a personal computer and a multifunctional device. Unfortunately, no office had an internet connection. So it was an office based on paperwork and direct communication between the citizens and mainly the assistant that was working in these offices. As such, the possibility for citizens to contact the MPs was again not very high. It was quite limited, and it was going mainly through the constituency office assistant. The project very soon raised a very big interest among the population. So the constituency offices were quite visited, and the paperwork load was very high in the office. So offices became jammed with in paper, all set in different registers, different issues, and so on and so on. And I could easily say that partly the job of the assistant became to once in a day start praying for no one to call the office for asking information, because it was quite difficult for the assistant to find the case of a certain citizen that was among those 100 documents. So therefore we at NDI decided to find a solution through the use of IT solutions for the work of the constituency offices.